Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. Today we're going to go over how to enable your TPM settings in BIOS on your Dell. Let's get into it. So I'm going to hit the power button and immediately start tapping on F2 to enter your BIOS settings. And as you see, it says preparing over there in the right hand corner. That means it worked and it's now entering BIOS for me. Once I am in BIOS, you can either use your arrow keys or your mouse typically. I will be using my mouse. And you're going to go down to where it says security. I'm going to expand that window. And then TPM security. And as you can see, I have to just check that. Hit activate. And then I have to hit apply. And it's just that simple. But anyway, if you found this video in any way helpful, please like and share. But from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.